Hi, you found us. Brilliant. Welcome to Mint Condition. I understand how confusing it can be when it comes to finding the right company to safely clean and sanitise your carpets and sofas. But when it comes down to it, I know that people are motivated by just two things: price or quality. Now, if it's quality, then we're on the same page, because cleaning safely is our thing. And I'm here to help explain and answer your questions, like how long is it going to take to dry, are the chemicals safe, and so on. And I'm sure you have loads of questions more, but by the end of it, I promise you'll be able to make an educated decision. Just like my house, your home is your pride and joy, and we're here to help you win that battle against the dirt and germs and protect you from those untrained cowboys who just want your money and don't care what they ruin in the process. I really hate the fact that most people think all carpet cleaners take the same approach, and this is just not true. I know you'll already understand the reason for different settings on your washing machine, from 90 degrees through to cold cycles, which caters for all types of materials. And it's the same for us. Let's say too much water at the wrong temperature is used on your sofa or carpet. Well, it could end up taking days to dry and possibly leave you with mould or mildew. And it could even result in you needing to replace them. I often come across customers who've gone for the cheap option, only for it to end in tears. And what for? Just to save a few quid. That's why we need to know if your carpet or sofa is safe to clean. And only once we're happy will we choose the safest approach. And sometimes that means we have to say no. To help you understand a little better is to compare it to washing your hair. I know you're laughing at this, but let me tell you, it does make sense. We all know that greasy hair needs a different product to dry or flyaway hair. And I'm certain you all rinse thoroughly after washing. And you wouldn't walk around all day with shampoo in your hair, sticky and just attracting more dirt. Well, just hold on to that thought for just one moment, because that's exactly what can happen when you choose a low-cost, untrained operator who more often than not will leave cleaning products in your carpets and sofas. And now you can understand why choosing the right cleaning company is so important. But before you commit even to me, I've got this question to ask. If we charge less, would you trust me more? Now, there are several indicators of quality. Reviews, for instance. And the last time I looked at ours, we'd earned over 100 5-star reviews. Another way to check is the membership of an independent auditor, like Which Trusted Traders, who carry out regular checks, making sure we adhere to a strict code of conduct. And yes, be prepared to pay more for peace of mind, safe in the knowledge you'll receive the safest, most thorough cleaning with the best results and guarantees. Here at Mint Condition, it's in our DNA to deliver 5-star service, which is why we say to each and every customer, and we'll say the same to you, if you can't give us a 5-star review, we need to come back and earn it. So now you know what to look for. Take the next step, click the button below to book a call with me, at a time that suits you, of course, and I'll answer any questions you may have. We always put our quotes and estimates in writing so you know what to expect. But please remember, using the wrong company to save money could cost thousands of pounds in possible replacement costs, increased insurance premiums, and the possibility of a ruined carpet and sofa, and the heartache and stress that can bring. My name is Peter Rice, and my guarantee to you is we offer the safest, most thorough carpet and upholstery cleaning ever, or your money back. Thank you.